almost slipped just then. Hey guys, it's Liam here. Take a look at this storm that just happened yesterday. It happened tonight, and I'm like slipping everywhere. No, I am not old enough to drive. I just wanted to show you guys something. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like, I don't know how long ago, but there was this viral video that went up on YouTube of this guy who had his window able to put down. I can't put mine down because I don't want to start the car. But still, I mean, that's my window. But still, it's pretty frozen. So I'm going to get out and I'm going to show you guys this. Camera's getting screwed up though, because of how rainy it is. Okay. That's like frozen solid. I can't break that. So this video is just kind of short, showing you guys what can happen in this neighborhood. Just a few weeks ago, it was bright and sunny. This is, whoa. That's pretty cool. Anyway, yeah. Just wanted to show you guys the volleyball net's down too. The thorns are completely surrounded in ice. That's not a thorn, that's a wire. So I gotta turn this camera off. Oh god. Jeez, man. Everything's like frozen. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what exactly has been going on. This is like frozen in the ground. Oh, is this cold? Yeah, and just show you guys what's been going on. The next upload besides this one might be coming out pretty soon. I only upload on weekends since I have school other days, so see you guys.